Mm-mm-mm. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Hang with Ash TV. Guys, today we're going to be doing something yummy. Today we're going to be making vegetable chip snacks. Before we start, thank you to all my subscribers who subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you are watching, don't forget to subscribe. Join the A Squad, guys. I really appreciate it. So let's get into it. Guys, today we are going to be making Kale Chips. I'm so excited to do it, guys. So here are the ingredients. So we need kale, paper towels, my favorite salt I like to use, pink salt, then olive oil. We're gonna wash it, guys. Okay, guys. Make sure you wash your kale leaf so you can get all that dirt off. Okay guys, we're gonna go wash them. We'll be right back. Okay guys, here is my kale. Now we're gonna wash them. Wash them properly. Oh no. Okay guys, so now I washed my kale and now I'm going to dry them with a paper towel. Okay guys, now I'm going to put the olive oil on the kale. So now we're going to put the salt on. Okay guys, now I am done And now we'll put it in the microwave. Okay guys, so now we're gonna put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Okay guys, we are done cooking the kale. It looks nice. Ah, it smells so good. Okay guys, now we're gonna try one. And here guys.
Yummy.
Ready guys? This is so good.
Yummy.
So good. So delicious. So delicious. Never had something so good. A little big one. I make everything. So good. I love making these. Really, have that? That's good. Our favorite slogan. Okay guys, this is what I have for my snack. So I have apples, crackers, cheese, and the kale I just made. And then I have soda at the side. Let's try one. I'm gonna try this one. Ooh, it's spicy. Ready, guys? Bye. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to share. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Bye, guys. And don't forget to try it.